Yesterday I made $641.15, and in this video I'm going to reveal a simple 4-step process so that you can start doing it too. Watch this entire video if you want to learn how to make $641.15 per day. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, I made exactly $641.15, and I did it using a simple 4-step process. Now, before we continue, I want to emphasize that this isn't something that's just going to happen tomorrow. This is going to take consistency and persistence in order to achieve any results online. And if you're not willing to put in consistency and persistence, you're not going to earn this type of money. So with that being said, I have 3 primary revenue streams that I take advantage of. 1 is affiliate marketing, 2 is with content creation, and 3 is with digital products. And so in this video, I'm going to reveal and explain each of the 4 steps and how you can start doing it too. So step number 1 is simply just identifying one problem. One problem, people call it a niche, but it's simply just identifying a problem. There are literally millions of problems out there. There's everything from pickleball to security cameras. People have problems with their pets. There are literally millions of problems. And if you can't find a problem, just look around your house. Think about things that you have accomplished recently, things that you have purchased recently. All of those things solve a problem. So for example, if we take a look at my computer, I have searched, can dogs eat? Okay. And this question is searched, or a variation of this question is searched 4 million times per month. There are over 39,000 keywords. People are asking, can dogs eat bananas? That is searched 93,000 times per month. Can dogs eat blueberries? And as you can see, there are tons of these questions. Now, I am using a paid keyword research tool. If you wanted to find problems for free, of course you can do that. You would have to use Google. So if we come over to Google, we can type in, can dogs eat? Like this. And as you can see, if we go through each letter of the alphabet, quinoa, quail eggs, quesadillas, people are asking these questions, and you're simply just going to make a list. People call this keyword research. You're just figuring out the problems that people are having. Okay. So that's basically that's step 1. Real simple, real easy. Now, again, there are literally millions of problems out there. People want to learn more about pickleball. People want to know more about the best skin routine for people with patchy skin. You just need to identify one. It can be a passion, it can be a pet project. It doesn't matter. Just identify one problem. The next step, once you identify one problem and you identify keywords, you're simply going to create content. Now, I like to create content in places that are going to pay me to create content. For example, YouTube will pay you, TikTok will pay you, but not as much as YouTube, but decide where you're going to create content. You can start a blog. They're going to pay you, okay? Find a place on the internet that's going to pay you to create content. For example, if we take a look at YouTube, people are asking, can dogs eat eggshells? The top result has 113,000 views. If you are a part of the YouTube Partner Program, where you need 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, people will pay you. YouTube will pay you to do this. And you can answer the same question in your blog. So you could start a blog about, can dogs eat eggshells? If we look here, Australian eggs, people are, let's look at this one, dogsnaturally.com. If we look at this, if they had ads on their website, which it doesn't appear that they do, they can get paid by Google AdSense. So find a place where they will pay you for content. You could do the exact same thing over on TikTok. Again, TikTok does pay you. I love veterinarian.com. You can see these are digital products that looks like they're actually selling, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. But if you start a blog, you can get paid right here. Skincare Centric Beauty. It's almost like they're listening to me. But this is an ad. Down here is an ad for Pampers. And if I were to click on this blog or website would get paid. So again, you can use YouTube, you can use TikTok, you can use or start a blog and never show your face. So that is step 3. The 4th step is to figure out different ways to monetize. And the cool thing with this problem specifically, there are multiple ways that you can monetize. One way that you can monetize is actually selling pet insurance. Now, the cool thing with Fetch pet.com is they'll pay you $25 per lead. You don't even have to sell anything at this point. You would offer pet insurance either in your blog post or on your YouTube channel, and people that are concerned that their dogs are eating foods that are going to make them sick could potentially buy or at least sign up for pet insurance because they don't want to pay those expensive vet bills. Our previous dog Sam actually had 2 ACL knee surgeries at $3,000 each, and looking back, I wish I had pet insurance so that it wouldn't be so expensive. So this is just one way to monetize this niche. A second way to monetize this niche is actually with a televeterinarian. So if we look at this is over on a website called OfferVault. This is basically a place that lets you know different affiliate offers that are out there. This offer through Max Bounty will pay you $25 per lead. Again, they don't even have to buy anything. And the way that this veterinarian sets up is instead of taking them to a vet, you can place a phone call or you can maybe get on a live stream or FaceTime, and they will get the answers that they're looking for. Maybe their dog ate eggshells and now they're acting weird. A person that has a pet will reach out to this veterinarian and say, hey, look, my dog is being weird. Is there something wrong? Is there an issue? So the way this works is you've identified a niche, you've identified a series of keywords that you're going to create content in, and then you are going to refer them to the veterinarian or refer them to the pet insurance. Another thing that you can do is you can actually recommend pet probiotics. So if we look at this can help with their gut health. And as an affiliate with Amazon, not only do you get paid a portion of the proceeds from this product, but any product that's in the cart when they decide to purchase. So if you create a YouTube video and then you have a link that goes to a televet and they sign up, so they enter their name, email, and phone number, you get paid $25. If they go over to Amazon and they buy this $32 product, and then they buy laundry detergent, and then they buy dishwashing liquid and other stuff, you can earn a portion of the total cart value. So hopefully you're able to see that this starts to stack up over time. The more you do this, the more pieces of content you put out into the internet, the more you can make potentially. And then the final step is with digital products. I love creating and selling digital products. And I went over to ChatGPT and I simply asked ChatGPT digital products to sell to dog owners. And as you can see, it came up with a list of things from ebooks, online courses, mobile apps, printable planners and journals, digital and custom illustrations, online communities and memberships. Now, the reason why I like digital products is you can create a digital product once, and you can sell that same thing again and again and again. You don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about physical returns. You can sell these digital products and they get delivered as soon as the person buys them. So hopefully you're able to see that this is a very simple 4-step process. It's not easy by any means. It's simple to understand. And if you execute this every single day or multiple times per week, you can get to a point where you make $641.15. So just to recap the process once again, you simply identify one problem. There are literally thousands and millions of problems out there. You identify the questions that people are asking within those problems. Then you identify ways to solve the problem and put money into your pocket. You can do that with digital products. You can do that with affiliate marketing, and you can do that with content creation. So that's as simple as it can get. Making money online is not any more difficult than that. The difficulty comes in the consistency and persistence that it takes to be successful over a long period of time. $641.15 is not going to come flying into your wallet or your bank account tomorrow. It may start off with $3, $5, and then on the third day it might go down to 75 cents. It's important for you to consistently show up to your job or to your online business until you can get to a point where you make $641.15. Now that you know the simple 4-step process to make $641.15, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you build your online business.